Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a birthday card. First, gather your essential supplies like cardstock, scissors, and various adhesives. Next, think about the decorative elements you want to use, perhaps some colorful stickers or a touch of glitter. Finally, decide on a theme or design concept to guide your creative process, ensuring a cohesive and thoughtful look for your handmade card. Now, let's get into the design. Begin by carefully folding your chosen cardstock to form the base of your card. Before committing to permanent colors, lightly sketch your design with a pencil. This allows for easy adjustments. Once you're happy with the layout, securely attach any embellishments using a strong adhesive, making sure everything stays in place for a lasting impression. Personalization truly makes a birthday card special. Take the time to write a heartfelt message inside, expressing your genuine wishes. You might even include a small, personal anecdote or a cherished memory you share with the recipient. For an extra touch, consider tucking in a small, flat gift, such as a favorite photograph, to make your card even more memorable and unique. To finalize your beautiful birthday card, take a moment to ensure all elements are firmly attached and nothing is loose. Carefully check for any smudges, stray marks, or errors that might detract from your hard work. A quick review ensures a polished finish. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Your thoughtful, handmade card is now ready to bring joy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.